Welcome to iLending's tips to organize your budget. It is common that those with disorganized budgets and bills are more likely to miss payments, rack up late fees, and have poor spending habits. So, are you ready to organize your financial life? Let's get started. Credit card offers, monthly statements, and additional mail that contains private information is sensitive. Shredding documents not only protects your private information, but helps cut down on clutter. Monitoring money coming in and out is vital to organizing your financial life. A $5 coffee every morning can add up quickly. Take advantage of free apps and online resources that will monitor spending habits and help you stay within your set goals. Most banks offer helpful services such as automatic bill paying systems, where funds are withdrawn from your account automatically, avoiding late fees and ensuring your payments are made on time. The fine print really does matter. Reading documents and statements in detail allows you to dispute any unauthorized transactions, determine term changes, and have an overall understanding of your financial standing. Setting goals like the ones we discussed can seem daunting. Consider making an appointment with your bank or a financial planner who will sit you down, discuss your situation, and assist you by establishing attainable financial goals. iLending. Call or click today to learn how you can save hundreds of dollars per month on your car loan payment.